Hey guys! Hi guys, it's Jem here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be reviewing a not so new product from Sunnies Face. So it is the Lifebrow Duo Kit. So it comes with a skinny pencil, yun yung tawag doon, and then it comes with a gel mascara. So I have it in the shade Ash Brown. Okay, so it came in this beautiful packaging. Ito yung box niya. Super nice. You can actually use it as a brush holder in the future if you want that. Or maganda siyang pang gift kasi maganda nga yung kanyang packaging. So it says, brows that complete you. We shall see about that. Okay, so I also got the Sunnies Face. Ito, I believe this was released last year, December, mga ganon, 13, 14, I think. Before we delve into the actual review, I'll be doing a demo for you just to show you guys how it actually looks like on my bare brows. So, wala akong nilagay na anything on my brows yet. So, I'll see you in the next clip. Hey guys, we're back and this is how it looks like on my brows. And this is how the highlighter looks like on my cheeks. Naglagay rin ako dito and here. So for me, okay naman siya. So I'll be very quick with this review. First of all, I like the packaging. Gusto ko yung meron siyang box kasi very functional yung ganitong class ng box. Sturdy siya, so pwede siyang paglagyan ng brush, ng paint brush, and then pencil, mga ganon, or whatever you have in mind. Pwede siyang paglagyan ng kung ano-ano. I also like the packaging of the Glowboss. Ano siya, sturdy naman siya, tsaka maliit lang siya, so I think this is travel friendly. Hindi naman siya bulky, so it doesn't take up much space. What I didn't like, preference ko lang naman to, is this one. Sobrang nipis niya. Medyo natatakot ako kasi feeling ko bawat ganun ko mapuputol siya. Pero so far, I've had this for a week. Hindi pa naman siya napuputol or what. And medyo mas matagal yung pag-browse ko whenever I use this kasi nga sobrang nipis lang niya. And maybe meron naman talagang purpose yung pagkapayat niya. But it's just not for me. But I do love the brow mascara. Okay siya. Yung brow hairs ko, it really stays in place whenever I use this. Nagdadalawang isip ako at first kasi baka masyadong light siya for my... As you can see, my hair is very black. Pero hindi naman siya ganun ka-light. And as you can see, very natural looking lang siya on my brow. So I really love it. Longevity-wise, okay naman to guys. Nasusuot ko naman siya like, maalis ako ng umaga and then uuwi ng gabi na. And I can see that my brows, the brow hairs even, are still in place. So I do think na longevity-wise, it's good. And madali siyang gamitin kung masasanay ka sa kanya. Kasi, like I said kanina, first time kong makagamit ng ganito kanipis na brow pencil. As you can see, sobrang nipis niya. Maliit yung bristles, pero okay lang. Actually, advantage yung ganun kanipis and ganun kaliit na bristles kasi hindi siya nagka-clump on the brows. So, I do love it. The price is okay for me. I would say it being a local product ha. I mean, a local brand and all. Medyo nagmahal lang siya ng onte if you compare it with other, you know, local brands out there na talagang matagal na in the market. You do get what you pay for naman with Sunnies Face kasi quality-wise, sobrang ganda ng products nila. Availability-wise, okay naman siya guys kasi you can buy this online. I'm aware na hindi naman siya available like provinces or kung saan man, but it's very easy to find online. So I would definitely recommend these products. If I were to rate it, I would probably rate it a 4 out of 5 because everything else I liked except for the skinny pencil na actually medyo hindi naman negative but you know, a little neutral for this one. Just because, yun nga, every time I do my makeup, mas nadadoble yung time ko. Kasi hindi ako sanay sa sobrang kanipasan nito. So, 4 out of 5. But the brow mascara, and especially the highlighter is probably my favorite because I'm a highlighter junkie. I would give it a 4 out of 5. Everything else, except for this one, sobrang okay siya for me. By the way, for this video, guys, we used the newly released Canon EOS R, which this guy did an unboxing on. Yay! Thank you for helping me out. If you wanna watch this this unboxing video, links will be provided down below or like somewhere right here. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked this type of video, a sit down and a review, you know, type of video, don't forget to like this video and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these type of videos. And yeah, that's it for today. You all have yourselves a great day ahead. Bye guys!